Hello and welcome to Driver's Therapy. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Porsche's leather interior cleaner kit. I think I got that right. Now, we just picked up our GT4 and I wanted to do some cleaning in the interior, and it kind of intimidated me because there's like Alcantara. I'm like, what is this? I've never had this. Some fancy leather and all that. And I was like, I don't want to mess this up. So I went online and I started doing some extensive research, going on forums and just, different websites and trying to see what people use on their cars and similar type of leathers and similar type of materials. And I found out a lot of suggestions, or a lot of people were commenting to each other and they were saying, check out this aftermarket or check out this company. But I kept on seeing some people just recommending Porsche's leather kit. And I was like, well, if I'm worried about possibly damaging something, or if a chemical is not going to be compatible with a certain material, I just feel like the Porsche kit might be the safe way. And people are saying they're having success with it. So I went online, I went on Suncoast Motorsports or Suncoast Parts. I ordered it. It was about $72. It got here and I'm excited because I want to do a video on it. So essentially, this is what we're going to do. We're going to look what's inside the bag or box or whatever this thing is. And then we're going to go to the garage and we're going to apply a little bit on the dash because the dash has leather. And we're just going to see how it goes on and dries. All right, so without further ado, let's find out what's inside here. So our first item is a bottle, and this says leather conditioner. Our second item is going to be a similar bottle, and this says leather cleaner. Looks about the same. And I wonder if that's leather cleaner in German. Okay, and our next bottle is going to be cockpit cleaner. Not sure how we're going to use that. It's a spray bottle, but we'll find out. And our fourth item, this looks like a lipstick, right? I'm not going crazy. But this is a 2-in-1 display cleaner. That's pretty cool, I'm not going to lie. All right, and then we have a couple of microfiber towels. Now, they're not as soft as regular detailing microfiber towels, but I think they're going to get the job done. And that's about it. That's all that's inside the bag. So let's go ahead and get ready to go to the garage and give it a try. Okay, so let's go ahead and start off by using the leather cleaner and leather conditioner. All right, let's get the leather cleaner, pop it open. What I do is I have this little fine foam applicator. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply just a little bit. Not a lot, maybe a little more. There we go. And then we're going to put it. So on the GT4, this part is going to be leather, and what we're going to do is I'm going to just gently go over it like that. Just small little circles, nothing too crazy. Now, I think leather cleaner really shouldn't be used every single time. That's just my opinion, because I think it's got a little bit of some type of alcohol base on it, and anytime you're drying out your leather, I really think that's not good. And that's why you're supposed to put conditioner after you do the cleaner. But I just put a little bit there, and this is just a damp towel with some water on here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do that real quick, and then with every pass I'm just going to kind of flip it over so I'm actually wiping off the product versus continuously applying it. All right. Okay, and then at this point, what I'll do is I'm gonna step over. And with another dry rag, what I'll do is I'm just gonna pick up the water just to make sure, and it's dry. Okay, next part is going to be the leather conditioner. All right, I think anytime shaking anything is good. I just think it just gets things moving. All right, we're going to open it up. We're going to apply it on another foam applicator. All right, I'm gonna apply it here. My only thing is on this door there's stitching, and I actually don't know what you're supposed to do with that, so I'm just gonna avoid it, because that's what I do with all the things in my life that I don't know. I just avoid it. So as you can see, I'm not rubbing very hard, but this left side got a lot more than see if I could pick it up. If I can bring it over to the right side. I do like this because it's got like a nice shine, and I've already done this once before just to try it out. I had to redo the video because it just didn't look right, the camera angle. And look at that. And the shine stays, like it doesn't stay this shiny, but it doesn't go back to full dry. So essentially the cleaner kind of dried it out, cleaned anything up. And if you weren't going to apply this, that wouldn't be really good for the leather. But since we're putting a conditioner on here, after we applied the cleaner, I think it's going to be perfect. And there you go. And that is doing one little segment with Porsche's leather cleaning kit. All right, it's now time to try out this display cleaner. Okay, let's pop it out. Oh, look at that, so fancy. So I've got a supplied microfiber towel they gave us, and I've got this. And what I'll do is I'm gonna spray this on a towel and then wipe the little glass thingies on the gauge cluster. I did about 3. Man. I mean, I don't think you guys can really see, but essentially this, I just want to show you the area where I'm cleaning. So to know where they're, you know, the kit that they're offering you, what you're actually supposed to use it for. And I'm actually going to use it on the navigation as well over here. I don't know if you guys can see that. And on the chrono. And why not on this little display down here? And that's about it. Let's see if I could. Okay, we're going to be using this cockpit cleaner, and I'm going to assume that it's going to be for stuff like this, for like the center console and just miscellaneous things that the lens or display cleaner doesn't take care of, or the leather cleaner doesn't take care of. So let's go ahead and start off by shaking it, and then we're going to spray it. And then now we're going to, let's do the center part. I think this helps because I'm always pushing, with this car, with mostly any Porsches, you're always pushing these buttons here because this is sport mode right here, and this is your exhaust valves, and then your suspension. So it's just finger oils and anything else. This will help take care of. This part right here, I think it's like some type of aluminum. Now, one thing I am noticing is when I do apply it, it like disappears right away. So I think there's some type of alcohol base, which is good because it's going to be cleaning off oils and any residue. So that's it. We showed you all the products inside the Porsche interior kit. I think it's a great kit. Now, the bottles aren't very big, so I don't know how long it's gonna last me. If I remember, I'll give you guys like a 6-month update in the description, tell you if this lasted me a long time or not. But I think it's pretty good. And my biggest deal was, whatever I'm gonna buy for the car, I wanna make sure it's gonna work with the materials. And going with the brand itself, I think is a really good idea. I mean, I'm sure there's other ones that work as well, but I feel I've made a right choice on that. Well guys, I'm really enjoying making these videos for the GT4. We're enjoying the car. We have a whole bunch of things we're gonna be doing with the car itself. It's just gonna be a big journey, so we really appreciate that. We still haven't forgot about our other cars. I mean, we're we have our hands full. But well guys, we welcome you to subscribe. Subscribing really helps us out. It supports us. It's like the key metrics for YouTube. And not only that, it also lets us know that we're doing something right and that you guys are appreciating the content. And it also reminds you to check out the content, because if we come out with a new video, all it is a reminder for you guys. It's a reminder for you, but it's a big deal for us. Apparently, I'm learning this. So we just ask you to, if you want to, subscribe. All right, guys, thanks for watching this channel. We appreciate your time. If you have any questions, put in the comments. We'll talk to you soon. You guys take care and drive safe.